What really appealed to me about industrial distribution is how many opportunities there were.
When I say that I'm industrial distribution, the big thing is like, oh, so you're going to be a trucker, you're going to be distributing these things. I'm like, no.
I had no idea for a long time what it was either until I really started learning about it.
So industrial distribution, what it is just business to business technical sales. Like you're selling a solution to somebody.
That's what we do. We do a lot of problem solving. You're talking about a person who can build relationships, critically think, and solve problems for their customers. The recipe we've had was, give them some technical aptitude, give them some business and sales. They'll do classes like electricity, electronics, fluid power, material processes, products and applications, some of those different classes. So they know how the pieces work together. But then we also prepare them by giving them some business acumen as well. So they're gonna take, the finance, the accounting, the operations, negotiating, purchasing, professional selling. So we hopefully give them those two pieces and we slam them together, and that's the degree itself.
You could be at a desk all day if you want, if you like numbers, if you like working on a computer, or you can be in front of customers all day working with them. There's so many different areas that you could work in and do day to day. So that's what I love about it.
Whatever it may be, you're actually doing it, getting your hands on that. That way you are understanding, that equipment that you could possibly be selling one day.
I would say to aid in that, all of our faculty have industrial experience. We have wonderful facilities here. Our Discovery Hall is second to none. I don't think you're gonna find a branch warehouse lab like we have anywhere in the nation, really.
The faculty specifically they're all amazing. Whether it's a question in class, whether it's a question about the industry, basically any questions that you have, you can go to them with anything.
I'm really close to all of my professors. I see a lot of patience, helpful guidance, kind of mentors, people that you can really look up to, and the doors are always open.
I think the future of ID is just getting bigger and bigger. More people are finding out about it, learning about it. The program here is growing.
We have such demand for our students. I like to say I can't graduate them fast enough sometimes. Yeah, a typical ID major will have multiple job offers before they cross the stage. Many times I have companies call me and say, hey, do you have anybody? And it's April, and I say, yeah, they're all signed off. They've already committed to full-time with the company. I don't have anybody left. So that's what we see. The salaries are right up there with, I would put them up against any graduate, but more importantly, they're doing something that they really, the lifestyle they like. They like kind of being in control of their own destiny. At the end of the day, that's what you get with ID. There's tremendous opportunity, tremendous growth potential. You can go just about anywhere with it. And we have alumni to prove it.